Hi, my name's Simon and I'm here with Milwaukee to talk about the M18 Fuel 12mm router kit. Let's start by taking a look at what comes in the kit. There's quite a lot included. It comes with the M18 Fuel router, standard base, plunge base, a series of collets, 12mm, 8mm, 6mm, 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, dust shroud, edge guide, 2 spanners and a template guide. All comes packaged in one of Milwaukee's famous pack-out boxes. Also available is the Guiderail attachment, and that means that the router becomes compatible with all Milwaukee guide rails. Let's take a look at the standard base that makes up part of the kit. It comes with the side handles. Most of you will already be familiar with those. My personal favourite feature is the body grip with the strap. What that allows you to do is use the machine one-handed whilst maintaining total control and accuracy. It's beautifully engineered. The materials that it's made from feel great in the hand. It's soft where it needs to be, and it is a real attribute to this machine. So we've taken a look at the standard base. Now it's time to take it out of that base and put it in the plunge base. Let's turn our attention now to the guide rail attachment. So the router's still in its plunge base and I've mounted the guide rail attachment to the router. That's the bit that allows it to work with the Milwaukee guide rails. You may already have one of these guide rails if you own, for example, a plunge saw. If you don't, the guide rails are available in 800mm lengths, as is seen here on the bench, or you can get them in 1.4 metre lengths, 2.7 metre lengths, or as a kit comprising 2 1.4 metre lengths of guide rail, a bag and 2 connecting bars. There's a couple of notable points about the guide rail attachment. Firstly, it has 2 cam adjusters on it. They allow you to dial in as much or as little resistance as you feel comfortable with. The second thing is, unlike using the router with a standard fence, you don't have to be too concerned about the direction of travel because the router is held firm in the guide rail attachment and the guide rail. I'm going to demonstrate to you now how all of this works. We're going to cut a rebate in this piece of timber. So just for clarity, we're running a 5.5 amp hour M18 red lithium high output battery, but this machine will work with any M18 battery, and we've set the speed to max. It's an adjustable speed machine. That means it will cater for any router bit, but in this instance, max is good. Let's go ahead and make this cut. So as you can see, because we use the guide rail and the guide rail attachment, what we've achieved is a perfectly straight cut with minimal effort and maximum safety. So we've reverted now back to the fixed or standard base, and I just want to show you how easy it is to operate this machine one-handed. So for me, on a personal level, that is game-changing. I've been waiting for a medium-sized router that I can confidently operate single-handed for a long time, and now it's arrived. So we've covered pretty much everything to do with the 12mm M18 fuel router from Milwaukee. We've talked about everything that comes with the kit, and we've talked about one or two accessories that are available in addition. The only other thing that you're going to need is the perfect match of router bits, which is available in this set: 2 plunge bits and 4 bearing guided bits, which fits perfectly into the pack-out system. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below what your favourite feature of this router is.